Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now guys. Welcome back to another latest update video about Bitcoin guys. BTC are completely dumping in the market and very I never saw this kind of changes in a cryptocurrency market guys. And especially a big creation of Bitcoin guys. The price jumped from 35 to $18,000. Oh my god. It's unbelievable guys. And what's a big reason that why Bitcoin price are dumping? What's the big reason? As you can see here, just let me zoom it. That's a secret that why Bitcoin are dumb. Now the investors are very limited and the cryptos, you can see here, 19,921 cryptocurrency are available in the market. So obviously the investors are limited in the cryptocurrencies or highly. So people are investing in a different cryptocurrencies instead of Bitcoin, guys. People investing in a different cryptocurrencies instead of Bitcoin, guys. So that's why Bitcoin are completely going in a huge dump, guys. Now, if you see the price of BTC coins, so $19,000, that's the current price of Bitcoin in the market, and very bad crash, 8.06% only the price decrease in last 24 hours, guys. And still, if you see the 24-hour trading volume, so guys, still people are selling. As I show you guys in the start of this video that 19,000 plus cryptocurrencies are available in the market. So due to this, now people are investing in these coin instead of Bitcoin because Bitcoins are very expensive in the market. Yes. So now people are investing in low price cryptocurrency, guys. And still trading volume is negative 3.84%. So my prediction about Bitcoin are negative. Maybe it's jumped to $10,000, guys. Maybe it falls to $10,000, guys. So if you're a long time, if you're a 1 or 2 year investor, so then I recommend holding, guys. By the way, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any coin, any crypto, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. See you in next